Imagine holding a smartphone that could completely redefine what you expect from Android in 2026. What if Google has quietly built its most powerful flagship ever, packed with smarter AI, a faster chip, an incredible camera system, and battery life that could leave the competition behind? Stay with me because there's one surprising feature near the end that could completely change the way you use your phone every single day. The upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro is already creating huge excitement, and if the latest leaks and expectations turn out to be true, this could easily become one of the best premium smartphones of the year. Google is expected to continue its elegant design language with a refined aluminum frame, premium glass finish, slimmer bezels, and a more durable build while maintaining the iconic Pixel camera bar that fans instantly recognize. On the front, rumors suggest a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution, an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, HDR support, and an incredible peak brightness that should make outdoor viewing easier than ever. Whether you're gaming, streaming Netflix, or simply scrolling through social media, the display is expected to deliver incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Powering everything will likely be Google's next-generation Tensor G6 chipset, built with improved efficiency and significantly stronger AI processing. Instead of focusing only on benchmark numbers, Google continues to optimize real-world performance, meaning faster app launches, smoother multitasking, improved gaming, and smarter everyday experiences. AI is expected to become the true highlight of the Pixel 11 Pro. Imagine your phone summarizing emails, editing photos with professional quality tools, translating conversations in real time, screening spam calls before you answer, generating text, organizing your schedule, and even helping you write messages naturally. Google's Gemini AI integration is expected to become even more intelligent, making your smartphone feel like a true personal assistant instead of just another device. Photography has always been the Pixel's biggest strength, and the Pixel 11 Pro could raise the bar again. Rumors point toward an upgraded triple-camera system featuring a powerful main sensor, an advanced ultra-wide camera, and a high-quality periscope telephoto lens capable of exceptional zoom performance. Combined with Google's legendary computational photography, users can expect sharper portraits, brighter night shots, realistic colors, improved video stabilization, cinematic recording modes, AI-powered object removal, enhanced magic editor tools, and professional quality results with minimal effort. Selfie lovers may also see improvements with a higher quality front camera designed for clearer photos and crisp 4K video calls. Battery life is another area expected to improve significantly. Reports suggest a battery around 5,200 mAh paired with a more efficient Tensor processor, allowing all-day usage even with heavy multitasking. Fast wired charging, faster wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and intelligent AI battery management should help maximize endurance while reducing charging time. Security will remain one of Google's priorities, with Android 17 expected to launch alongside the phone, bringing stronger privacy controls, longer software support, and exclusive Pixel AI features unavailable on other Android devices. Although Google hasn't officially confirmed the release date, industry expectations suggest the Pixel 11 Pro could be unveiled during Google's traditional October hardware event in 2026, followed by global availability shortly afterward. If everything we've discussed becomes reality, the Pixel 11 Pro won't just compete with flagship rivals. It could challenge what people expect from smartphones altogether. But here's the surprise that many people are overlooking. The biggest upgrade may not be the camera, the display, or even the processor. It could be Google's next-generation AI experience that quietly transforms every interaction throughout your day without you even realizing it. That invisible intelligence could become the feature everyone talks about after launch. So, is the Google Pixel 11 Pro worth waiting for? From everything we've seen so far, it absolutely looks like one of the most exciting flagship phones on the horizon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And remember, the biggest surprises are often the ones nobody sees coming, so stay tuned because the official launch may reveal features that could completely change everything we think we know about the Pixel 11 Pro.